Wow, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode of understanding. Welcome this episode of understanding how we do make payments on how we make payments or investments or deposits on trade market platform. Okay. Yes, many people have been asking me. Very many clients have been asking me on how we do make investment, on how we can as well, how we do, how we do, how we do make deposits on trade market platform. Now here we go. Now, by the time you're making it, the deposit or the investment, definitely rest assured you should have done step number one. Step number one is really making registration or making sign up into trade market using the link of somebody or your upline, whoever you may call it, my leader, my upline, whichever term you want to use it. Okay. Now, after you having your account like this one here, okay, beautiful account, very beautiful account. Okay, what you got to do is very simple. You come here, okay, you come right there on the menu. That's our menu, and you click our menu. When you click our menu, it's very simple. You on our menu, very simple. We shall see we have got dashboard here. Okay, we have what called dashboard there. We have referrals there. We have profit calculation there. We got packages in there. We got view the draws there, and lots more, and lots more. Okay, lots more. Okay, in there. Now, what you got to do is very simple. You click on packages. Okay, you click on packages. When you click on packages, it takes you to a different. Window. It takes you to a different window, which is. It takes you to a different window. And different window. Just hold a minute. Okay, it takes a different window, and on this window, it bears lots and lots of packages. Okay, lots and lots of packages which you choose from. Okay, according to your financial muscle. Okay, for example, we have the first one. The first one is called a starter, which is $50. It is $50. Then we get another one, second one, which is it's called basic, $100. We have standard, which is $300. We have advanced, which is $500. We have $1,000, which is professional package. We have business package, which is $2,000. We have premium, which is $5,000. So it goes all the way till down where we have ultimate package, which is $100,000. Now, depending on how you're good in terms of finances, okay? In terms of finances, you choose any package that you want. You choose any of them that you want. Now, let's assume you choose $1,000. Okay? Now, what you're gonna do is one, you click here. You click on buy. Okay? Once you click on buy, you get another window. Okay? The system will take you to another window. Okay, now this window where the system brings you on, it has three things. That you bear in mind. One, it bears this one, that whichever transaction you're gonna do, okay, it has to be on BEP20 network. All right, that's number one. Number two, you also have to understand that if it is easier for you, you just scan the QR code. Okay, it will be okay. All right, just scan, which is more easier. Just scan and then input your password in the other phone you're using, and then the transaction will just go into place. Okay. Number three is that if you can't scan, you just copy the wallet, which is down here. This wallet here, you just copy this wallet here, and then you take it to where you're keeping your USDT from. Okay. Yes. Now on this page, you must make sure that you have set your USDT on the other side, or maybe you have kept it on you have your USDT on a different wallet. Okay, could be you're using Maxi wallet, could be you have kept your USDT on a MetaMask wallet, maybe it is a Trust wallet, could be you're using Binance wallet, could be you have kept it on a Bybit. There are very many others. Okay, very many other wallets. So what you are going to do is that whichever method you want to use, either you copy the wallet, either you copy the wallet or you scan the QR code. Whichever you want to use, whichever method you want to use is still okay. It's very much okay. All right. Now, when you do use any of the methods, you go on the other phone or the other wallet where you kept your USDT, make payment. When you make payment, okay, listen closely. After you making payment on the other wallet where you've kept your USDT, okay, and you gotta make sure that you have done the payment using BEP20 network. Okay, now what you have to do is you scroll down below. You scroll down below here. You scroll down below here, and you input the transaction ID. Okay, when you make payment on the other side, make sure you pick a transaction ID of that transaction. Okay, you pick the transaction ID of that transaction of the payment you have just made, and now you paste the transaction ID here. Okay, you paste it in there. When you do that, after you doing that, now you click on submit. All right, you click on submit. Once you do click on submit, once you've clicked on submit, that is it. The payment has been made. You only have to wait for about 2-3 hours, or maybe a few minutes for the administration to approve. Okay, to approve that you've made a payment, and that will be it. Okay, that will be it. Okay, your account will be up and running, will be ready to go, to be activated, and the deposit would have been made. Okay.